Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking Python and picking your terminal. Run Python version or Pi-3 version to confirm the interpreter. Once done, navigate to your project folder with cd path / to /project so commands affect the right files. If you plan to isolate dependencies, create and activate a virtual environment now. It prevents conflicts later. Make sure to choose the terminal you're comfortable with, Command Prompt, PowerShell, Terminal, or iTerm2, because muscle memory speeds up daily work. You'll execute code and manage environments next. To run scripts, use Python script. Py or Python M module when you need package-style execution. This ensures imports resolve. For experimentation, launch the REPL with Python or IPython to test snippets instantly. Once done, install packages into an activated virtualenv so projects remain reproducible. Create it with Python m venv and activate via sourcevenv /bin/ activate on Unix or \. You finish by adopting advanced workflows and knowing how to fix problems. Use split panes, tmux, or your IDE's terminal to run tests and servers simultaneously. That keeps context visible. For deeper issues, use Python mpdb or an IDE debugger to step through code and inspect variables. If something breaks, first verify which Python runs, which Python or where Python, ensure your virtual environment is activated, and confirm package versions with pip freeze. If necessary, recreate the venv to eliminate corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.